So I would like to do this video tutorial to show you how exactly you want to use this flare-up toolkit. Now before we do that, I want to invite you to join our SFF Pain Relief Facebook group, where you can ask any questions or concerns you have regarding the flare-up toolkit, what is working, what's not working, any more ideas or suggestions we have, and we can all share and learn from each other. So if you haven't done so, please click the link in the descriptions below to join the group. Now, one more thing is, most of us who are dealing with the chronic pain, we usually make two mistakes when it comes to managing the flare-ups. So first one, actually I have made this mistakes myself, that when I wake up with the really bad back pain in the morning, first thing I do is call in sick. Then I have to pack the lunches, get the kids breakfast, drop the kids at the school bus. I will come home, take an ibuprofen, and I'll sleep until the kids get back home. So, but that night I will struggle to fall asleep because I slept all day. So then I will end up reading a book or watching a TV, and the result is I'll be exhausted next day. So fortunately, I don't have that many flare-ups anymore, but I remember that I had to call in sick in the past because of that. But when you're really dealing with the flare-ups on an ongoing basis, it really takes up your sick hours, right? And it doesn't create a good relationship with your supervisor, because you're calling in sick so many times. So second mistakes people make is they are not prepared in advance. So that's why I've created this toolkit, so you are ready before those flare-up hits. So the intention is you are in control and not the flare-ups, okay? And the goal is to bounce back faster when those flare-up happens. Sounds good? So I want you to trust this process, give it a try, and see how it goes. Please share the outcome, the good ones or the bad ones, because we all learn from our actions and we all learn from each other's experiences, right? So please share all the outcomes in our Facebook group. Now, so let me show you how to manage your flare-ups using this toolkit. So first and foremost, I want you to print out this flare-up toolkit, okay? And second thing is, make sure you spend about few minutes. This video is only about 10 to 12 minutes. So give 12 minutes, give me full attention, no distractions, because you have to be creative, mindful, and you have to practice the right thing. So without further ado, let's get going. Now, first strategy is you have to figure out your personal pain formula. So most of the time we look for our triggers, right? What causes more pain? What doesn't cause more pain? What makes your pain better? What makes your pain worse? But I invite you to shift your attention and be mindful of the things that make your pain better. For example, you take a car ride to a particular route, or you sit on your porch and watch people walking by, or you sit on a swing with a cup of tea and you really enjoy that sitting outside, or having a conversation with your family or friends who really lifts you up, or a particular music that lifts your soul. Keep making a list of things that helps you to calm down your nervous system and provide you that healing energy, okay? The second thing I want you to do is get a basket or a tote or find a drawer. And you're going to fill it up with the items like TANs you need, cold pack, hot packs, the vibrator, the massage guns, the ointment, the magnesium sprays, anything that helps you to feel better. The other things is, I want you to think outside the box and find the painting brush or a coloring books or the puzzles or the crosswords, anything that helps you. Go again outside the box and find the things like a bath bombs or the essential oils or the candles or any kind of perfumes that really helps you to soothe your soul, okay? You can also look for like teas or granola bars or a chocolate or anything that really helps you to feel good. So think outside the box. Fill up your tote or a basket with all those things, because at the last minute when you are in flare-up, the last thing you want to do is find that massaging gun. Where is it sitting at? Or where is that magnesium spray you used it last time? So be organized and keep this thing in a one place and handy and ready to go. Now next, I would like you to try and practice some of the apps like Calm or some meditation apps or some YouTube videos where they have relaxation meditation, or a stress management meditations that calms you down. Okay, I do have some of those suggestions in the toolkit, so check that out. Now the third thing is you want to gather up some YouTube videos or any exercise videos you have done in the past that helps you to move gently. It could be restorative yoga, Tai Chi, Qigongs, anything that helps you to move better and does not causes more flare-up. But you have to try this in advance, not when you are in pain. Okay, your body, you need to know what particular stretches are responding to you way before you are in pain. So remember that. Now the next steps, number 3 strategies, you have to open up the logbook. That's where you're finding the pattern, what's working for you and what's not working for you when you are in flare-up. So go ahead and open up the log sheets and keep it handy. So first, many studies have shown that the more we focus on pain and the intensity of the pain, the stronger the pain becomes. So rather than focusing on the pain, I invite you to focus more on the nerve sensitivity or an alarm sensitivity. And just say that, well, I'm today more highly sensitive or a medium sensitive or the low sensitivity, okay? Because the words and the language do matter when it comes to pain. So first write down when the flare-up started, write down the date when the flare-up started. And let's say this time you have a neck pain, back pain, and a shoulder pain flare-up. And they're highly sensitive, they're really bothering you. Now you tried TENS unit for 30 minutes on the burst mode. And you can write down all the details, any details you can write down, the intensity, the mode, and how many minutes you did. And then you did with the heating pad. And then you tried the magnesium spray. But when you did the TENS and the heating pad, it did help you, it did work. But the magnesium spray did not make any difference, okay? So be mindful, stay present, and see what changes you are experiencing, even the smaller ones, okay? So the next day, you decided to give a try again for a TENS unit and the heating pad because your the sensitivity is medium now, but you want to do a vibrator on your upper back. But your body could not stand the touch of the vibrator. So vibrator did not help. Well, the following day, you want to give a try to an Epsom salt bath. And when you did Epsom salt soak, you slept better, you felt more relaxed, you had a less muscle spasm, so that worked. So you have to keep trying. Sometimes things work for the neck pain and upper back pain, may not work for a shoulder pain, and may not work for the leg pain or a knee pain or ankle pain. So you have to try a few things and see what works and what doesn't, okay? But so this log sheets will help you. The next thing is please ask for help from your family and friends. Save their contact numbers in your phone so you can reach out when you really need them. You can ask for help for various tasks like babysitting kids or running errands, filling up your prescriptions, mailing packages, picking up the groceries, the meal deliveries, or carpooling your kids to their activities, yard work like you need to water the plants or anything needs to be done. Please do help them. Please accept that help from the supporting network and focus on the self-care at this time and allow the body to recover, okay? The willingness to ask for help is not a sign of weakness, but it's a valuable step to heal faster towards your healing and getting back to your normal routine and a normal life, right? And remember, your loved ones are often more than willing to lend helping hands when you need it the most. All right, last but not the least, the activities do and don'ts to help you to cope up from the flare-up faster. Definitely say no to staying in bed all day. Alcohol, smoking, caffeine, self-sabotaging, avoiding people, and focus on hydration, nutrition, gentle mobility, nerve mobility drills, tactile mobility drills, and stuff like that, okay? Now remember that these are the guidelines. We all have different needs and different, we are all unique, our problems are different. So if you want a personalized advice and recommendation, please book a pain discovery call and I'll be happy to help you. And also to let us know about the outcome of your flare-up, how long it lasted, and what did you try and what worked. Please share your experiences so other people can take the benefits as well. Thank you so much for watching.